So this is how my tomato plant looks after a thunderstorm. It was pouring this week. It was standing straight, but now it's my first time doing tomatoes, and I know that they have to get staked at some point to support and prevent this from happening. So we're gonna stake these plants and just provide it with some extra support. So I got these staked.
Knowing tomato plants are super resilient, I wasn't really worried when it came to my bending plants, but it's so recommended that you provide your plant support way before it reaches the stage that it reached. And I'm only cutting my bamboo stick, because I'm planning to transplant my plants at a later stage. But if you already have your plant in the container that it's going to be growing in throughout its life cycle, don't cut the stake. It's just going to be a waste of time. You're going to end up replacing it. But thank you for watching.